Hobbieli Prime Minister of India Shri Narendra Modi ji is honoured with Atal Global Peace Nobel Award 2024 from His Eminence Professor Dr. Madhu Krishnan, eminent scientist, the Chairman cum Chief Rector of the United Nations University for Global Peace USA. Hobbieli Prime Minister of India Shri Narendra Modi ji is honoured with Atal Global Peace Nobel Award 2024 from His Eminence Professor Dr. Madhu Krishnan, the eminent scientist, Chairman cum Chief Rector of the United Nations University for Global Peace USA, as a tribute to Hobbieli late Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji on his birthday Jayanti in a befitting event at Jammu, India. The international prestigious award, from USA, Atal Global Peace Nobel Award to Hobbieli Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi ji on his behalf was received by the Union Minister Dr. Jitendra Singh, PMO Minister in a befitting special program in Jammu in the theatre of J.K. Academy of Arts, Culture Language on 22 December 2024. In his keynote address, HE Professor Dr. Madhu Krishnan informed that this Atal Global Peace Nobel Award was honoured to Hobbieli Narendra Modi ji on the basis of the board resolution passed by the Board of Governing Council of Governors, Senate members of AUGP UNAP USA in its branches 120 countries. Professor Dr. Madhu Krishnan in his address told that the incredible services of Hobbieli Narendra Modi ji for his incredible efforts to make India sustainable, developed and strong nation, Viswa Guru on the concept of Vasudev Kutumbakam, world is one family. The organizer team consists of Professor Dr. Kulbhushan Malhotra, the President of Parmeshwari Care Cure Charitable Trust, Dr. Romesh Khajuria, Chairman. Ministry of Textiles, Government of India, Wool Sector, Mr. Pawan Sharma, President of BKS Films Creations. Many reputed personalities like former Army General Govardhan Singh Jamwal, Brigadier Dr. Vijay Sagar Dhuman, etc. made this special event very colourful by presenting many indigenous Dogra cultural programs, presented awards to many achievers. The Sangathan Minister Shri Ashok Kaul, MLAs, MPs and many top leaders of different communities honoured many artists and achievers on the occasion. HE Ambassador Dr. Neeraj Tandon, the Director cum Dean of AUGP UNAP USA, also graced the occasion and presented nation-building awards to many achievers, nation builders on the occasion. The anchor Mrs. Rajini read the letter of appreciation from the US President-elect Donald Trump's office, from the chairman of MPAC Dr. Mark Burns, who is the spiritual advisor to Hobbieli Donald Trump, chairman of MPAC USA. The text of the official letter addressed to His Eminence Professor Dr. Madhu Krishnan, quote, "We acknowledge and appreciate your incredible support through your entire interfaith community, Indian, Asian communities in USA to give their mandate to elect His Excellency Mr. Donald Trump, the Hobbieli President of USA. We are also delighted to appreciate your noble mission of establishing global peace through your groups of AUGP Global Peace Institutions universities worldwide. We wish you all the very best in all your endeavors. With blessings. P.S. Dr. Mark Burns, Spiritual Advisor to President Donald Trump, Chairman MPAC USA." Unquote. HE Professor Dr. Kulbhushan Malhotra in his address informed that AUGP UNAP USA A101 C. 3 Intergovernment Organization, IGO, is legally incorporated under the law of Federal Government of USA with a validity period of 99 years, having good standing and federal tax exemption by IRS, Federal Government of USA.